All right, so look, I know we all business, and that's cool. It's cool that you took the chance to start your internet marketing career. But what don't make sense is the fact that people will do the wrong stuff over and over. They'll do things, activities that they know not working. They know won't get them a result. They'll post in a Facebook group. Look, I just talked to a lady. She told me she's been promoting online for 5 years, and I met her in a Facebook group. She's still posting Facebook groups like, who wants to repair their credit? Ask me how. You you've been online for 5 years. Like, that's unacceptable, and that's why I'm making this video, because how can you have a ego like that big to where you see that I'm doing this every day, it's not working for me? What is it? Because it's cheaper to do what you're doing? Because if that's how you looking at your business, keep you're gonna have a cheap looking bank account. And that's what I don't get, is how, as so-called entrepreneurs, like, I understand it's information overload. People out here, everybody's selling. We're salesmen. That's cool. But what I'm saying is, you got to do the right activities. Okay? You can't just do what everybody else doing, because when you do what everybody else doing, you're going to get the results that everybody else get. And you don't want those, because everybody online, majority, 97% of people is failing. They're failing, which means that when you go in these Facebook groups and you see 30, 40, 50, 100,000 people in it, they're struggling. You know what I'm saying? And the people who know what they're doing, we not out here in Facebook groups. We not putting up posts who wants to make money from home, who wants to additional $500 a week. Like, nobody cares about that stuff. And that's what I'm trying to get you to see. If you keep doing what you're doing, you're gonna keep getting what you get. And it don't make sense to keep being in the same position. Like, I really can't harp on that enough, because you gotta stop doing what you're doing, or you might as well quit today. Like, imagine this. Imagine you being online 5, 10 years from now, if you haven't quit, and you still talking about who want to make money from home, and nobody ever still comment on your post, nobody liking, nobody sharing. Like, that don't make sense. And like I was telling the lady earlier, what if, instead of you going in Facebook groups, you knew how to bring traffic to your website? Like, everybody out there got a link. This is a golden nugget right here. Just like McDonald's, just like Walmart, they don't care who come in and out their business. Those people who own those stores, those major supermarkets, they could care less who comes in and out of the store, because they know that if they got enough people coming into the store, somebody gonna always be buying something. And that's what entrepreneurship online is. You need enough people coming to your site every day. If you get enough people coming to your website every day, you're gonna make sales. If you don't know how to get leads, if you don't know how to get traffic, you will never make a sale. And you will be in Facebook groups talking to broke people who work in a job. They barely had the money to pay for the opportunity they joined. And now they don't want to buy email software. They don't want to learn how to do follow-ups. They don't want to learn how to market. That's the wrong group of people. Why not have people to do that for you? Like I say, and it's simple to me, but apparently, common sense not so common these days. It's really not. You know, everybody get online acting like they got it going on, acting like they so gung ho on change, and they want to, bro. People be lying. I see it firsthand. Like, it's 100 degrees outside, right? I didn't want to walk outside and do this video, but it's not enough sunlight in the house. It's not enough light in there. It's 100 degrees. I didn't want to come outside and make this video, but I've trained myself to say, okay, I'm not gonna put this stuff out. Let me go do it right now. Right now. I don't care about the result. I just want to make sure that every idea I got, I put it in action right then. So I see people making videos like, you got to be willing to change, and you know, you got to do this, and don't let nobody tell you this, and always, you know, make smart decisions. But they not doing that. The same people that get on these videos, they do these cheesy little videos talking about believe in yourself and always press forward and push harder and keep going, but you doing the same stuff. So you lying. And that's one thing I cannot stand. I hate fake people. I don't like that. You know, live what you talk about, practice what you preach. Don't be out here saying, I'm this way, I'm gonna promote my business this way, I'm out here helping all these people when you not. And don't get mad at a person like me because all I'm doing is enhancing you. Don't look at this as downgrading you. Don't look at this video as me trying to talk, you know, negative about you or the things you're doing. It's not that. But I am going to call it out because I do this for real. You know, I know how to market. I got over 100 different marketing ideas that I can give you for free. So to me, it's not nothing. But when I see people out here who don't know what they doing, it bothers me because how could you know that you're not getting results? And when someone tells you like, yo, I got something that can help you. And that's another thing. Business owners always looking for something, savvy ones. They look for something to always improve their business. Like think about 10 years from now, the way business is ran online gonna be totally different than it is now. And if you still doing what everybody else doing, you gonna be the person 10 years from now jumping on to the next opportunity, to the next opportunity, to the next opportunity. Because you never learn how to start your own business. So that's what I want to teach you. Whether you have a business already that you promoting, whether you haven't had a business, even if you don't know anything about online marketing, I'm going to teach you how to start a real internet marketing business online that's profitable. Because one thing, you have to know what sells. You have to know what niche to get in. You got to know what type of products to promote. And that's things that nobody will teach you getting into this stuff. So you left out here having to figure it out for yourself. You out here, you got to kind of feed off what everybody else doing. Keep in mind, just like me, everybody you come across came from a 9 to 5. If they doing this full time, you know, they worked at a plant, they worked at McDonald's, a restaurant, bartending, something, but they had to go to work. You know what I'm saying? Like this stuff don't just happen because you said, I want to be an entrepreneur and all of a sudden your life changed. If it was that easy, all of us would be rich. If it was that easy, you wouldn't be looking for how to make money if, you know, if you ran across this video and you haven't started a business. So what I need you to do, if you're serious about changing your income life, changing the way you live, changing the way you handle business, changing the type of people that you do business with, I need you to click the link in the description of this video, okay? It's going to be a link down here, up there somewhere. Click it. It's going to take you to a webinar that's going to teach you how to set up and start a business, a real internet marketing business online that's profitable, okay? So if you're serious about your financial future, you're tired of playing games, you're tired of faking it as if, acting like you really got it going on and you really want to have it going on, click that link. Like I said, the only thing that separates the people who succeed and the people who don't succeed is the actions they're taking. And if you're not taking any of the right actions, you're going to keep living the wrong lifestyle. Okay? It's not, look, before I go, people tell you, be consistent, always promote, do this, do that. Look, that's called keeping the idiot busy. That's all they tell you this stuff so they can give you the illusion that you're actually doing something. When you're moving, you're doing something, but it's not making movement. So like I said, click the link, go to the training. It's free. Put your wallet away. All you got to do is watch the video. Learn what it takes to start a real internet marketing business, okay? Don't fail. I dare you to take this chance. Like I said, I dare you to change your life. I dare you to quit that job. I dare you to learn how to do this stuff. And I dare you more than anything else, I dare you to take yourself serious. So with that being said, click the link and I'll see you on the inside. All right. Peace.